Welcome to Zahabia Ahmed's channel, where tech meets creativity. Today, I'm excited to share my latest project, a physics motion simulator app built using Python and Streamlit. This interactive tool lets you visualize motion in real time, whether it's uniform acceleration, free fall, or projectile motion. Just tweak the sliders and watch the graphs and animations respond instantly. Designed for students, educators, and curious minds, this app brings textbook physics to life with intuitive controls and clean visuals. It's not just code, it's a learning experience. As someone currently studying artificial intelligence and data sciences, I love blending technical precision with user-friendly design. And after recently completing a digital marketing course, I'm also exploring how to present and share my work in engaging ways. If you're into data, design, or just love seeing ideas come to life, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More apps, tutorials, and creative tech content coming soon. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building together.